Welcome to Staffers. We have simplified domestic staff hiring for you. Now find your housemates, nanny, cook, elderly care staff, and driver at your hour of need at your terms of trade. We are on a mission to be the entrusted partners for the people of India and make their life better by unleashing the power of digital revolution. Most of us will acknowledge that work-life balance is a strategic priority for a fulfilling life. At Staffers, we help you move the needle on the path to find your bliss. So why the juggle? Find your balance in few clicks. The new normal has blurred the work-life boundaries. The burnouts are obvious. Reason being, increasing workloads. Most of the family member cooped up in the house. Messy homes. Ailing elderly family members and patients. No time to care for the new moms and kids. At times, maids leave work without intimation or be it out of conflict, which makes the situation worse. This is the story of 90% of the world at this time. Approximately 18 million households in the top 20 cities in India hire a domestic staff annually, which makes it a $20 to $30 billion market only in India. There is no structured system available for finding domestic staff other than agencies that charge huge money with no guarantee on service and always impose their terms of contract which may not be customer friendly at times. Other options are to depend on friends, families, security guards with no guarantee of finding right match at the time of need. Do you see yourself here? Don't worry. At Staffers, we have got your back. We have simplified domestic staff hiring for you. Now hire and relax. We are proud to say Staffers is creating new lifestyle trends in online domestic staff hiring by making it as simple and convenient as online shopping. We are a digital aggregator platform and we connect the hirer with the seeker and empower both the sides. The customers who are searching for domestic staff, revenue side. The candidates who are seeking jobs as domestic staff, subsidy side. So let's see how we do the magic in just few clicks. Log on to www.staffers.com. Specify your staff requirements. Housemates, nanny, cooks, elderly care staff, driver, etc. Buy from our affordable plans. Unlock the candidates of your choice. Schedule interviews on a video call or meet face-to-face. We will help you in background verification of your chosen candidate. Hire an appropriate candidate and relax. Now you have all the time to focus on what really matters to you. Be the master of your own life. We are happy to share feedback from our happy customers.
Mumbai is always a headache, but जब से staffers.com से कांटेक्ट हुआ है, मानो मेड का प्रॉब्लम जैसे सॉर्टेड है. मेरी अब तक की सबसे बेस्ट मेड मुझे मिली staffer.com से.
I was looking for the person for a longer period of time, but I was not able to. Then I came to know about the Staffer, and Staffer gave me multiple contacts. All were very much relevant to my requirement, and I was able to hire the one. Thank you so much.
So they gave us pretty good contacts. The contacts were genuine and they were very quick. So we ended up hiring one of them. So it's a very good service and I would definitely recommend to my friends. Yeah, please go check it out.
से मुझे एक अच्छी हाउसमेट मिली. अब मैं कह सकती हूँ कि आई हैव गुड वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस. थोड़ा टाइम फ्री भी मिलता है जो मैं न्यू लर्निंग में इन्वेस्ट कर रही हूँ. थैंक यू.
We feel really happy to share the story of impact that we are making in the community when we see these smiling faces. Staffers is making India Atmanirbhar in real terms. We have empowered women from both the strata of the society. We create jobs for the semi-skilled and unaccounted section. We are also proud to say we are a digital first company promoting digital revolution in India.